In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a powerful tool for businesses that want to understand their website or app performance. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting, knowing how to navigate this tool is crucial for making informed decisions. Let's dive right in. First, we need to go to the Google Analytics website. You can do this by visiting the Analytics Tools and Solutions section on Google's marketing platform. This is your entry point to accessing the wealth of analytical data Google offers. Once you're on the page, you'll find options to explore various solutions tailored to your business needs. Bookmarking this page can be useful as it allows you to quickly access the tools whenever you need to check your analytical reports. Now let's move on to the next step, signing into your analytics account. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do that first. However, if you already have an account, simply click on the Sign into Analytics button located prominently on the page. Make sure you're using the correct email associated with your business account to avoid any access issues. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to your personal Google Analytics dashboard. With the account signed in, the next destination is the Google Analytics home. This is the central hub where you'll find a comprehensive overview of your account. You'll see a variety of widgets and charts that summarize your website's performance metrics. These include the number of active users, user acquisition data, and top performing pages, among others. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with how information is displayed here, as it will be invaluable for interpreting more complex data down the line. Now that you're on the Google Analytics home, let's take a glance at the overview of your site or app's performance. By clicking on the Overview section, you'll gain insights into key metrics at a glance. This includes data on user sessions, bounce rates, average session durations, and more. These metrics help you understand how visitors are interacting with your content and can guide improvements on your site. Here's a tip. Regularly reviewing this overview ensures you're up to date with traffic trends, helping you react promptly to any significant changes. Remember, Google Analytics is a tool that grows with you. As your familiarity increases, exploring advanced options like custom reports and real-time data becomes not only possible but incredibly rewarding. In summary, the key to mastering Google Analytics lies in regularly visiting these sections and making sense of the data they provide. Consistent analysis will unlock the full potential of your digital strategy. Thanks for joining me today, and happy analyzing.